Happy day 22. Today, I'm gonna show you how to snazz up your ornaments to make them even more girly and fun. Like, look at this plain velvet pink one. It's very cute on its own, but we're gonna make it even more festive and cute. And you could put these on, I mean, you could give them away or give them on packages too, but I'm doing it for my girly tree. Since Valentine's coming up as well, you could totally use these on a Valentine tree too, not just Christmas. So you're gonna need some kind of ornament that you wanna jazz up. Some ribbon. I wanted it to look more vintage looking, so this lace was really pretty, I thought, but also have this ribbon, have some velvet thinner ribbon if I want to do a little bow on the top. And then you can use really any like old earrings that you have, brooches. You could go to the like Goodwill or someplace like that where they might not have matching earrings, but you really don't need them to be because we're going to use them on the ornaments. I, for purposes of showing you guys, just got a few at Michael's. This one specifically. I have a couple of them that I'm going to do for you guys today. So you can pick these up at Michael's if you like them too, and look in their jewelry section. They always are having 40% off a lot of their items, so that's a good place to look as well. But yeah, okay, so you're going to start off with your plain ornament. I am deciding that I'm going to use this ribbon along the middle here, and I'm going to use a hot glue gun to do this first step, to just kind of wrap it around the ornament like this. Look how fun that looks already. So I went ahead and put some hot glue on each of the corners and made sure to flatten it out so it would be nice and flush against the ornament. And then I just made sure to bring that all the way around slowly so that it's nice and even, and then cut a small hole at the top so that the string could go through the top. So there's step one. I just glued all of the edges, and then I did cut a little hole so that it could connect the lace there. All right, so depending on where you want to put it, you could put it in the middle. I think I'm gonna put it at the top here like this with a bow on the top. And of course I'm gonna glue it down though, but it would be pretty in the middle too. There's no wrong way to do it. Just have fun with it. Yeah. All right, here's step two completed. I just did one hot glue there and there. And then also have these pearl push pins that you can just put throughout. Like, look at that. Looks so cute. Little extra detail. You see that? Right there. So I'm going to add a few of those to it as well. And then going to do a big bow on the top of it. I'll show you when that's complete. Look how pretty that turned out, you guys, with the bow on the top. Love it. These are gonna go on my master bedroom tree. After putting the ornaments on my tree in my master bedroom, I ended up not loving them there as much as I did the living room, so I moved them over to the living room and I get to see them a little bit more prominently. Making myself some Christmas fettuccine, and it's gonna be Italian style, so just some good butter and Parmesan. I don't have fresh Parmesan cheese, so this is gonna have to suffice for tonight. But I was just feeling like that because I was watching The Holiday. Well, I still am. I just paused it because they were talking about fettuccine, and I'm like, that sounds like a great plan for the night. Do you see that? That sauce it makes. It's the best pasta you will ever have. And yes, these are bow ties, not fettuccine noodles, but this is what I had. So yeah, gonna go enjoy this and finish the holiday. New tradition, having some fettuccine and watching The Holiday. I think I'm gonna start this new tradition with myself. All right, 3 more days. Forest fig and blackberry ultra moisturizing hand cream. Okay, this is gonna take me a second to get out. There we go. I'm very curious about this. I just rubbed it in. I really like the smell of it. It's very faint. Yeah, like it's still there, but it's not super strong, and it doesn't just have a fruity scent. It kind of has like a little bit of a perfumey scent at the end, but it's nice. I will use that a lot. And then day 22, sesame. Do I want to try this one? I think it's also funny that I'm always opening my calendar in my robe, either in the morning or the afternoon. It's funny. As expected, not a fan. Not a fan of that one. I'm really sorry. Oh, not a fan. And I already snuck a peek, and day 22 is a bag. And then it's the Unbrush, Untangle, Unknot. Oh, have you guys seen these brushes? It's like the new detangle brush that's supposed to be good for your hair. I have not tried it, and it comes in pink. Hello, love it. It's like a little mini size, I think, too. Yeah, super cute. I've been watching the Jim Carrey Grinch while making my 3rd Christmas cookie this year so far, the peanut butter blossoms, which is pretty much just a peanut butter cookie with a Hershey Kiss on the top. I'll leave the recipe that I'm using down below, but this smells so incredible. It's just the butter, sugar, and peanut butter creamed together, and I'm gonna add the flour, baking soda, and salt, and vanilla and egg still.